Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know how we get down. I get straight to the point. This is on a Sunday. Got a 105-degree heat advisory. Came down to look at a F250 diesel. Customer was complaining that his reservoir was spitting fluid out. Upon doing my diagnostic, the customer had way more than just a power steering issue. He had a 4x4 transfer case issue, and his brakes were pulsating. He paid for one diagnostic. While we were there, he was trying to get multiple diagnostics being done of noises, leaks, brake issues. We did a whole entire free of charge of a complete diagnostic of his vehicle, and it was saying that his transfer case and his transmission wasn't doing too well. He takes my diagnostic machine out that is over $2,000 and plugs in his little dinky one, and he says you must have old codes, by which I already erased the codes in front of him, and the codes came back. And he's saying that my machine is inaccurate compared to his $20-$30 machine because it's not picking up all the codes. My machine is bi-directional. My machine gets in depth. I look at a lot of live data. My point in my story is, if you are a customer and you want a professional to come look at your car and you do not trust that person, don't let them work on your car. Don't argue with them, because my job is to tell you what the issue is. I'm not here to tell you what other issues are unless you pay for it. But if you feel that your machine is better than our machine, then you can do your own diagnostic and we can move forward. We're not here to argue. You paid us for a diagnostic, and that's what it is. Then the customer went to the store while I was doing my diagnostic and brought back a whole bunch of stuff and said, I want you to fix this, this, and this, and this, and that. And we gave him the price, but he didn't want to pay for it. He said the diagnostic should cover everything. And I'm like, how is that? You want a serpentine belt, you want a power steering pump put on, you want us to diagnose your brakes, you want us to find out where the leaks are at, you're having all these noises. It is what it is. So I gave him his receipt for what he paid for. He was very upset. I walked away. You do not do that behavior at a shop. You're not going to say, oh yeah, change my oil, but look at this, this, and this, and that. They're going to charge you for everything they're doing. So just because we're mobile mechanics doesn't mean that we're going to, you're going to be treating us any kind of different. Would you take your paycheck and cut some of your pay or do free work? Or would you say you got to pay for everything? We're rendering services. We got to get paid. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and please leave a positive comment. Thank you.